Wow, that looks good. Good job.
Thanks, man.
Sweet. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Is that a cooler?
Oh, yeah.
Sweet. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Nick. It's a 6 order with 215 Sundowns X Series.
Okay. X Series. All right. Who built it?
Me and my brother. Right here.
6th order. What's the tunings on it?
The rear is at 25 and port is 50.
50. Okay. Did you ever meter it?
No, I haven't metered it yet.
Okay. I like how you got a little removable piece on it. So you can put the
window.
Yeah. Sweet.
It makes it a lot easier.
Yeah. I'm gonna go look at the back real quick.
Okay.
And where's your amp at? Behind the seat?
Behind your seat, yeah.
Oh, it is. Okay.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Go ahead. Awesome. The cab 2K.
Yeah.
That's all?
Yep. Yeah.
It's pretty good. I was thinking of 3500.
Right.
It's pretty good. And this is at 1 ohm or half?
1 ohm.
1 ohm? Awesome. Wow, that looks good. Good job.
Thanks, man.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. So a quick little snapshot here I wanted to pause on from the thumbnail you saw. I really like the removable panel that you can see there in that shot as well. 2000 watts RMS amplifier at 1 ohm, not even wired down on these 215s, and it is really impressive. So I'm really looking forward to showing how the demo is in a minute, and just want to say thank y'all for always watching. Wanted to throw a quick commentary in to stay tuned for a lot more cardio videos. Going to be doing videos every single day until I run out, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe with that bell on. So one other thing I wanted to mention is look at the port area design that he has laid out here. So that's optimized about around the 40 to 60% range to cone area aspect for this blow through 6th order design that he has laid out. So he did really good job, either him or his designer. And the removable box panel in the back where you can load into the subs, so you don't have to worry about everything getting damaged. And it looks really clean. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and stop talking. Once again, thank y'all for watching. I hope you're enjoying these commentaries I'm going to start adding into the videos, and let's go ahead and dig into the actual demo. Sweet.
I like your videos, dude.
Well, appreciate it. That's what I'm doing right now. All right. What's your name again?
Nick.
Okay, appreciate it. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.